Hi, and welcome to Where Wendy Travels, Where Wendy Creates. Today I just wanted to quickly talk a little bit about the tea bags that I've been collecting that we're going to make in some upcoming boho journals. And when you have the tea bag, you just let it dry out after you've brewed your tea, used your tea. I collect them for about a week, and then we can gently open them up, dump out the tea, pull them apart at their seam, and that way we have the most beautiful, just one back seam so it opens up nice. And again, it's almost a pressed seam so it comes apart without ripping. You still have that nice fabric, and it opens up to be a beautiful size. Most tea bags, when you open them, and that fine paper we're going to actually glue down and use some antiquing in some upcoming videos. So I'm very excited about that. Just wanted to go through a few of these bags so you could see. And my tea that I had today, I just brought the pages out and let you know as well, just like I do on the seed packets, and put the flower seeds and the other seeds. I take these tea bags, and sometimes they're torn, sometimes they're ripped, sometimes I just cut them off before I sew them down on the journal, and I can sew them down. It does have this nice little glossy texture. I put some of the smaller tags in here. I've been actually making them a little bit smaller size. Put some of the smaller tags in here. I can hodgepodge over this, and I can actually glue some of the different textures with the flowers. It adds a very nice small pocket in the boho journals. So I'm going to show you that as well. And thanks for coming by. Some of them have the staples in them. Some of them just have the string. And you can pull those gently apart, trying not to lose as much of the paper as you have. Yeah, some of them work better than others. Again, just dump out those old tea, which we are going to put into the compost. Pull those bags gently open. I can get my fingers in between the two. All of this is dry, so the tea is going to fall out. If it does happen to stay in there, again, my friends, that's more texture. I love that, just like I'm tea staining and aging the papers. So you have that beautiful look in there as well, adds a little bit of detail. Thanks for stopping by. Can't wait to have you. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel. You've got to see what I do with these. Thank you.